DEM-Generation. Ground point classification must be completed before DEM generation. Click the Terrain module to enter the DEM function. Resolution or scale can be configured according to output requirements. Supports custom grid size. The merge option can generate a unified DEM output. The hole filling option can automatically fill void areas. Click Execute to generate the DEM. Automatically complete DEM generation. View DEM generation results. Generate a continuous and complete terrain surface.